The moon is just a rock in space, yet it has shaped life, culture, and imagination for thousands of years. Its gravity quietly pulls Earth's oceans, creating the steady rhythm of tides that shape coasts and ecosystems. At night, it turns darkness into a usable world, a natural lantern long before electric light. As its face changes, people learn to track time itself. Crescents and full moons became calendars, guiding farming, travel, and ritual. Across cultures, those pale shadows became gods, animals, poetry, and music. Then, the moon became a destination. A small boot print turned a distant circle into proof that exploration is possible. Here's a twist. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters every year. Still, it never really leaves us. The moon is awesome because it feels both familiar and unreachable, a constant companion that still inspires wonder. So next time you look up, ask yourself, what would Earth be like without it? And where should we explore next?